Welcome to English Oddish. English for everyone.
Dear friends, first I will tell you a short story. You should pay your full attention to the entire story. At the end of the story, a few questions will be asked for your better comprehension. Queen of Sheba and Hoopoe. Hazrat Sulaiman was a prophet of Allah the Almighty. He was given the ability by Allah to understand the languages of birds, animals, and jinns. One day Hazrat Suleman asked all birds in his kingdom to gather around him. All of them gathered, except the hoopoe. The hoopoe arrived after a while. He informed Hazrat Sulaiman that the Queen of Sheba Bilquis and her followers worship the sun. On hearing this, Hazrat Sulaiman ordered the hoopoe to deliver a letter to Bilquis. The hoopoe dropped the letter in Bilquis' palace. She read the letter. In the letter, Hazrat Sulaiman asked Bilquis to worship Allah the true Lord, instead of the sun. This message worried Bilquis. She did not want to lose her kingdom. So she asked her messengers to offer Hazrat Sulaiman some wealth. Hazrat Sulaiman refused to accept any wealth. He asked a group of jinns to bring Bilquis's throne to him. When the throne was placed in front of Hazrat Sulaiman, he ordered his servants to hide it by putting a cloth over it. When Bilquis came to Hazrat Sulaiman's palace, Hazrat Sulaiman's followers removed the cloth from the throne. Bilquis was surprised to see her throne there. She realized that humans could not have done something like this. At that moment, she became a believer. Once after seeing Hazrat Sulaiman and his army, the chief of ants warned all ants to hide in anthills. She told Hazrat Sulaiman that she had asked all ants to hide so that they would not forget Allah's glory after seeing Hazrat Sulaiman's glamour. The ants' reply shows us that even the smallest of creatures, like ants, can appreciate Allah's magnificence. Now it's your turn to think and answer the questions below. Question number 1. What special ability did Hazrat Sulaiman possess? Question number 2. Where was the hoopoe when Hazrat Suleman gathered all the birds? Question number 3. What did hoopoe tell Hazrat Sulaiman about Queen Bilquis? Question number 4. What did Hazrat Sulaiman ask a group of jinn to do? Question number 5. Who ordered the ants to hide in the anthills? If you like our video, please hit the like button. Subscribe to our channel and share with your friends.